After having the batteries in my Nexus Wraith, the original ones are 6 years old. I noticed that over the past month that it was having a problem getting started. It would just kind of drag a little bit and then it would kick in. The batteries have been plugged in, and then finally one day recently they just quit dead, totally dead. So I decided to go ahead and see about getting them changed. The batteries are like $79 a piece. It's pretty tough to get to the batteries once you get the steps off. Once you get the steps off here, there's 3 bolts at the top there by the door, and then there's 2 bolts down on the bottom step. And once you get those removed, then the step just simply slides out. And I started that project and got it down to where it exposed the battery compartment. You see the battery compartment there, you see the cover on the top of the batteries, and you see that front plate. Also, once you see, here's what the steps are removed, what they look like there when they're removed, and you're ready to go. But anyway, when you look back at the battery compartment, you can see it's really in a tight area. I decided I didn't want to undertake it, so I contacted my international guy. He came and removed that plate in the front. Then he removed the battery retainer area there, bracket, and you can tell that trying to get up underneath those 2 batteries on the top of them was pretty challenging. Here's what it looks like once you get the batteries out, and then once he put the batteries back in, you could tell that he was having a struggle trying to get to the terminals in order to hook them back up. And so anyway, he finally got them hooked up, and then he started the process of putting everything back together, which meant the bracket to hold the batteries, and also to put that plate on, and then put the steps back on. It's a pretty easy process for somebody that knows what they're doing. I just never had done it. I didn't want to try it on that. Once I took it off and I saw that it was so tight up in there, and trying to get the terminals, the right cables on the right place. So anyway, there it is. Have a great day.